the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Pro, an upcoming premium variant of the standard Osmo Pocket 4. The Pro version is anticipated to launch globally in June 2026. DJI has shared a new teaser video about its long-awaited Osmo Pocket 4P vlogging camera. The video hints at the camera's new telephoto lens, which appears to capture plenty of details even beyond its 3x optical magnification. The Pocket 4 Pro is its dual camera system, a first for the series. It is expected to feature two distinct lenses on its 3-axis gimbal, a 1-inch main sensor for wide-angle shots and a dedicated telephoto lens for portrait and zoom shots. Rumored to support 4K recording at 240 frames per second. Expected to include 107GB or 128GB of built-in internal storage and support for 4-channel audio output. Rumored price: expected to start at approximately $700 to $733. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.